Every celebrity stylist have their own secrets when it comes to dressing their clients for big red carpet events. Having styled Selena Gomez, Sahan, and Olivia Howe, Bella Thorne, Irina Shayk, and many more for big red carpet events, I have my own fashion hacks and secrets to make my clients look picture perfect. For tips and advice about the styling industry, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell to get notified when I post new video every Monday. There are many quick fixes that stylists can do on the go and many that are strategically planned like way in advance. But at the end of this video, you will learn the most 5 popular red carpet secrets and hacks that every stylist is using. Hi, it's Basia Richard and the founder of MyStylistAcademy.com, an online program for upcoming and aspiring stylists. If you want to learn what are fashion secrets that every stylist swears by, well, let's dive in. Double sticky tape, also known as a fashion tape. It's the most popular item you will find in every stylist kit. It's very strong double-sided tape that you can stick directly to the skin to secure a fabric or directly to fabric to close, let's say like a gap in a button down. Sure, the double-sided tape is the most popular item to close deep V-necks, either on a dress or on a jacket. So what you want to do is to stick one side on the edge of the fabric and gently you can place it on top of the skin. Now, one very important tip that I can give you is we want to make sure that the skin should be clean from oil, moisturizer, and makeup, otherwise the tape won't stick well. Illusion fabric, and it's a secret that my amazing tailor Olina told me many years ago. It's a 4-way stretch fabric, and as you can see, I'm like stretching it totally in 4 different directions. Those mini holes will work total magic when it comes to lining it with a see-through or maybe like a transparent part of the dress, like maybe a lace. So there are a couple rules that you want to remember. Number 1, always make sure that the illusion fabric is super soft, not stiff, otherwise it won't be easy to line it. Now, tip number 2, make sure it's not too thick and it's also not too thin. Now, the last thing, you always want to pick like maybe 1 or 2 shades darker than your client's skin tone. A lighter tone will read too light, and then you will see the difference when photographers will take pictures with a flash. Now, you can get this fabric pretty much in major fabric stores. My favorite store I always go to is in Los Angeles. It's called ISW on Beverly Boulevard, and I will link that store under this video. Alterations. Now, if you think that a stylist pulls dresses for their celebrity clients and it all fits perfectly, well, you couldn't be further from the truth. Alterations are the most vital part of celebrity clients looking their best on a red carpet. Now, a good tailor is like a surgeon. I love calling my tailor a surgeon because we can do absolute magic with dresses and transform it into the point where it looks like it was made to measure. Now, I had some dresses in my career that it took like almost 10 hours to alter to look absolutely perfect. So the key is to find an amazing tailor who understands the complexity of the constructions and can also has a great techniques to turn any garment into a gem. Moleskin. So moleskin is a very heavy cotton fabric, but very soft and has a feel of like a plushy velour feel. It's a great to use for blisters and it's much better than just like a regular band-aid. So mostly because of the stiffness and that softness, sort of like a combination. So you can simply cut it and then just stick it either directly on the skin or like on the back of the heel. Last hack is fabric softener, full static fabric. Now, this is a great hack when you don't have like a anti-static spray on hand. A fabric softener will do very similar job. So what you want to do is to take one sheet and gently touch the dress from underneath. Now, you can rub it on top of your skin as well. Now, fluff the skirt and rub it and try it again and again until it doesn't stick anymore. Now that you know the secrets and hacks that stylists are using for their celebrity clients for red carpet events, if you want to learn more, make sure to grab my resource guide with over like 140 vocabulary and styling terminology you need to know to get you started on the right note and with the correct Lingo. Now, if you want to join my Aspiring Stylist community, I have a great private group of aspiring stylists just like you when I share advice tips. So let me know which from my 5 tips is your favorite. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and share with other up-and-coming stylists. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Monday.